There it comes.
Number one on the boat. Here we go. We got her home.
Well, we got a couple up here, and the lure went flying right over top of the boat.
Struggling so much.
Watch your eyes. That's all I got to say.
Oh, that's a nice lure too, Scott. Oh, I guess
That's a nice size.
that's a nice size, eh?
4 pounder.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's a pretty good size fish.
Oh, look at the size of that, man. That's a big fish.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big fish. Another nice trout I caught. I got 2 today.
Hold it up higher so I can see the damn thing. Oh, yeah.
It's heavy. This one's 15 pounds.
15 pounds.
That's the way we do it on official business, right there.
Right,
That's the way we do it.
God bless.
Nice catch. Very nice.
Small line.
There we go. What's that?
Steady. Steady. Up. That's it. Keep coming.
Yeah.
Keep coming.
There you go. Yeah, what do you think of that, eh? Yeah, the beautiful fish.
Oh, but it's born. Go to thing, man. Get him. Nice. Get him. Keep coming. Yeah, nice one, Jay.
Oh, I might have reeled her in a little. Easy does it. Pull up your rod. Pull it up. There you go.
All right. Fish on.
Good one, guys. Big walleye. Okay, tip up and start walking back. Go for it. Very good. Very good.
Oh, nice, nice. Oh, nice. Right, good. No, you're lucky. Unless it just turns on right here. Okay. There he goes. Watch your face, you guys. Nice little fish. Nice little fish. Not pretty right now, I don't think.